Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cheesy bacon mashed potato balls. Alright, I'm starting out here. I have roughly about 2.5 pounds of mashed potatoes. I made ahead and left cool because we're going to have to handle these. I have roughly about just under half a pound of bacon. I crisped up in the oven and I diced up in some green onions diced up. We're going to get them in the potatoes. And guys, these are going to be a really quick and easy and delicious side dish. And I'm going to be making some cube steak to go with this and some peas, frozen peas. I'm just going to give this a quick stir to get that blended in. Alright, now I have some shredded cheddar cheese here. You can use any kind of cheese you like. I like cheddar in this. So I'm going to go ahead and throw in about 2 cups of cheese, and I'm just eyeballing this. That was actually about 1 cup of cheese because when it's shredded it fluffs up, but you'll know how much to put in. And I'm going to mix this around and blend the cheese in. Now you could actually eat these if you'd mix this stuff in hot and eat these like loaded mashed potatoes, but we're going to make them into balls. So you just want to stir it good and get everything all mixed together well, so each bite is the same as the last. And I used a hand masher, not an electric mixer, because we like our potatoes a little bit on the chunky side, but you could use an electric mixer to make it easier. Okay, on a large cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper and sprayed with some cooking spray. You can also just spray your cookie sheet with cooking spray or grease with some butter or oil. I'm going to make little balls here. And I'm just going to make all of my mashed potatoes into balls. And if you have extra mashed potatoes left over, you could always freeze them and then reheat them as regular loaded mashed potatoes. Alright, now that I have all my mashed potato balls made, and I used up all my mashed potatoes because I made them healthy sized, I'm going to put them in a 375-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes till the cheese is melted and the potatoes are reheated. Alright, my potato balls came out of the oven. I left them sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. I actually baked them for 15 minutes because I wanted to get them a little crispy. I didn't want to let them go too long because, as you can see, they'll spread out if they're too long. These are ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made that cube steak and the peas to go with that, like I said. Let me get in here and try these. You can see there's a nice little crust on them. Really creamy, cheesy. You get that bacon, the green onion. Those are really delicious, guys, and they weren't hard at all. That would also make an awesome filling for pierogies. That's just a thought. Alright, there you have it. Cheese and bacon potato balls. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.